Hey Snapchat users! Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change your My Eyes Only password on Snapchat in 2025. If you're someone who values privacy, you know My Eyes Only is that super secure spot in your memories where your most personal snaps are locked away. But with apps updating all the time, it's smart to refresh your password for better security, especially if you think someone might have guessed the old one. Don't worry. I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it in under a minute. First, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Open the app and log in if you aren't already. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That's the one with your Bitmoji or avatar. Next, scroll down and select Memories from the menu. This is where all your saved snaps live. Now, look for the My Eyes Only section and tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, so go ahead and type that in. Once you're inside, tap on the Settings gear icon, usually in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, find the option that says Change Password and select it. Now, enter your new password. Make it strong, like a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra protection. You'll need to type it twice to confirm. Hit Save or Confirm, and bam! Your password is updated. Quick tip. If you ever forget your password, Snapchat has recovery options, but it's best to write it down securely. That's it. You've just leveled up your Snapchat security. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.